my screen there for 24 stocks up because the market's heating up and there's a lot of no. In fact, last night I rarely have a nightmare. Like can be like once a year maybe. I had a really crazy fucking nightmare. I'll tell you about it in just a second. Gonna go live on TikTok first, and then we'll talk about the nightmare. All right. Whoa, TikTok crashed. Going live. That's a first. Try again. You're live on another device? Yeah, the same device, you crashing bastard. Live. And TATT, yeah, I've got it. Uh-huh. Oh, okay. Well, just go ahead and get in for $2 of risk. No, $1.50 of risk if you want. All right, we're live. So anyway, yeah, it was like this. The bad guy. It was. I recognize now. It was Kiefer Sutherland. He's such a fucking good bad guy, Kiefer Sutherland, and he was like this nice doctor who was. I was in. It was kind of like Cabin in the Woods when I was like in a going through a town. It was very late at night with two teenage girls, probably something like that. I don't even remember, but there were some entities there that were my companions of some kind, whatever. And we're asking this doctor working in this office late at night, like something, how to get somewhere or something. And then we see this, and then somehow he's completely wrapped up like a mummy, but it's actually he's more like a surgery patient, that's like all wrapped up, like you're gonna have surgery. Not like a mummy, but he's fully wrapped up, right? Got like this like some kind of weapon in his hand that slices, and all he wants to do is cut off people's heads. And so yeah, like that's when I just woke up. I was like, this is just fucking crazy. Look, I swear to God, though, I would pay to watch that movie. It was really cool, especially if it has Kiefer Sutherland in it. Oh, really, Anthony? That'd be funny. You should be him. It's like an episode of 24. Yeah. All right. So I got a whole bunch of stocks up this morning. Did you see Krispy Kreme? Somebody asked us. You see Krispy Kreme, dude? We made fortunes off of it. We traded it yesterday. Yes, sir, we did. Yeah. So Apple's going vertical as well right now. My screen wasn't fully. There we go. Right. Apple's hitting 138.3. We needed it to break 137.40, and it did. It broke that key level about 2 hours ago. So Apple is in play today as well. Yeah, Marin, I tried to get in around 1775, but it just started rushing, and I was in the wrong account. By the time I flipped the account so that I could get position, it had broke through the $20 level, which I wanted to make sure I got in before. Boom! It was like it's really fast. Went from 1775 21, which is the exact move I was trying to catch. And so I'm not chasing it. I mean, well, obviously we'll get in today, but if it signals, but not too late on that little spike there. All right, so what else do we got here? So Didi is the top traded stock this morning, like the most volume. Like everyone's going to be talking about Didi, right? It's got 14.6 million volume, but it's down. So like I can't stress enough for you to stop listening to people, because whatever most people are talking about means jack shit. Like, okay, so like everyone is trading DD this morning and it's down. And everyone's also trading ITRM. That's in second place and it's down 40%. So you can short those and you can make money off of shorting them, but I guarantee you that's not what most people are doing. They're being yahoos. They're being meme tards. Anyway, hey you guys over on TikTok, how you doing? Good morning. I wanted to get that Newegg breakout, but we'll see if we can get some more breakout on it. You guys over on TikTok, make sure you click the link in my bio to come join our trading group. We'll be turning off the TikTok in 25 minutes when the market opens, and we'll be live trading in my trading group. Yeah, what about Wave? I have Wave up. So it goes and hits $10, from $10 and hits 40. Now pulling back to about 20 and basing. That's something worth getting in for the risk. Right now it's at $3 of risk. So if you can get in now, pre-market on Wave for $3 of risk, wow, that puppy might run. So I'm going to go flip to my other account now, see if I can get some of that. Make sure you set your software for extended hours and a limit order. And it is currently asking 22. All right, exactly. See how fast I can get filled. Boom! That was direct routing. ARCA. Got a little bit of Wave this morning, the appropriate amount because of the risk. See where that goes. I can smell that my wife's cooking onions for whatever she's going to give me. I don't think in the 10 years we've been together have I ever told her that. All right, Staff. That's another one that we're watching. Let me put some of the older IPOs over here on the right so we can see if they do any breakouts. Staff. We'll keep MRIN up. Oh, we were talking about MR. No, what did I just get in? I just got in Wave. No, I'm not in DD. Of course not. I don't hold overnight. I'm not dumb. We don't hold crazy stocks overnight because you can wake up in the morning and be down 25, 50, 75%. Happens all the time. Happens every day. I'm going to do that. But we made a lot of money on DD yesterday and sold before the closing bell. Yes, Apple. We'll be trading Apple. Okay, Wave, TAT, ALEC. I brought up Staff. Let me see how Staff looks. All right. All right, Wave's already moving up. Already up 1% on Wave. TAT is breaking out. So did anybody get that pre-market? $1.50 of risk on TAT. If it breaks out again, new risk will be 64 cents. So like 60 cents. Breaks out at 1040. Yeah, Devin, but I'd like to see space drop at the open. That'd be nice. So we can get a nice dip buy in. I have space front and center right there. How do you get past the disclaimer after you click the link in the bio? I'm not a super wizard at Discord, so I think you just click accept. You scroll down the terms and conditions or something, and you click accept. I think. We should make it like really hard. We should make it like really hard to join our group. Like you should have to solve a Sudoku puzzle or whatever. You can only get like smart people. That'd be cool. MRIN space Shen. Okay, what else is popping? Wave Tat Alec. I have not brought up Alec. Let's put Alec on the or here too. So I'm able to watch 24 positions now this morning. I've set it up for that, so we can be really on top of every hot thing in the market. DD will be able to get rid of that. We don't need that. Just FYI, if you held DD, I hope you got the lesson you needed. Angel Bay Trades. You can't see how to accept. It's a Sudoku puzzle. I don't know. I don't know. There's something. You can send a private message to Jacob or Elliot. They're the leaders of the group. They're the owner. All right, everybody on TikTok. Everybody else, you can click the link in my bio, solve a Sudoku puzzle, and then join our trading community. No. It's easier than solving Sudoku puzzle. I promise you that. And is it a Sudoku or is it Sudoku? I think it's Sudoku. Is it two U's and an O in the middle? Or is it two O's and a U in the middle? Is it Sudoku? Or Sudoku? Sudoku. I think it's Sudoku. It's Sudoku. Are you shitting me? It was neither. It's two O's in a row and then a U? Come on. Sudoku. Ah, you bastard. That's what I thought. Okay. Oh, you got some coffee?
No, it's tea.
Ah. Oh, good. Thank you.
I told you we don't.
Oh, yeah, I forgot we don't have coffee. Ah, that smells good. What is this? Breakfast tacos? Cool. Look at this. Tacos. All right, guys. So we got yesterday. We still have LegalZoom up. We've got U up, CVRX, Fate because that did well the other day. I still happen to have up PLSE. We've got Staff, Marin, Sorrento Therapeutics, Alec, which is going crazy. TAT, TATT, Wave. Wave is I'm up now 6% on that. Donut, Krispy Kreme, Space, Apple, Hertz for day 2 coming out of bankruptcy, Tesla. I've got enough for another like eight stocks. So let's see, what can we monitor here? Refresh the market chameleon. We've got 17 minutes to the open. Everybody on TikTok, make sure you click the link in my bio to come join our trading community. Yeah, now by market cap, what do we got? Popping. Sony's up a little bit. Something more. SC, all right, $11 billion company. SC is up quite a bit. Was at 36, all the way up to 40 now. SC, I don't know which company that is. Let's see. Santander? Really? Okay. Santander Consumer Holdings. I guess they're doing good. Adrian, yes, Santander. What was the cheap stock today? What did it got us out instead of doubling down? I think it was ATHE. Yes, what about that? I don't understand what I think, you've asked me that, I think, another time, and I still don't understand what you're talking about. We made a lot of money. I don't think, no, that wasn't when we doubled down on. No, he's not talking about the Dream Stop, but man, Emma, did you watch it last night? Were you there? You didn't say anything, I think. I didn't see you in the class. Were you there? Okay. You must have been watching TV at the same time or something. Some people I just can't get the full attention of. Can I chart WYY? Yeah, we've got some time. They do a quickie on that. Um, yeah, it's like over on that. You should go find something else. All right, let's see what else we got. We got Space up 21%, and then Santander Consumer all the way down to 6 billion market cap now. CRNC up 9%. CRNC. Okay, closed at 108 yesterday. He's now at 118. That's pretty cool. So we'll be watching that as well. I want to make sure I get potentially a dip buy on Apple, so I'm going to put that on the high speed setup over here. So, the 5-minute candles for that. All right, and the other one was Space for sure. Okay, cool. We are ready to take advantage of Space and Apple. So Apple has cleared this pivot upside of this flat top wedge, and that is significant. No, we don't have an entry on Space yet. And we got some company, Shenzhen Shenandoah Telecommunications. 48,000 volume. Not very much volume. Well, I think Wave has maybe the most potential because it already showed us that. I think Wave has an incredible potential, and it will probably crash just as fast as it pops. So make sure you take your profit targets. And ALEC. I have no idea. And Zoom user, can you change your name, please? Your actual name. Like eventually we're just gonna have to kick people out who have the Zoom user name. If you have a Zoom username in here, rename yourself or we gotta boot you. Can't monitor if those are bogus accounts or not. I'm seeing there was one person just renamed their Zoom username, but there's still two left. Rename yourselves. All right. Mm-hmm. I am mining, yeah. Right there. And I have a couple different rigs around the house. Somebody asked me why I wear headphones. This is great. I really love that somebody asked me that because it just shows how you focus on shit that you shouldn't even fucking give a shit about. Am I on? Yeah. But you shouldn't even give a shit about that. Who the fuck cares? You know, there's people who are they say Socrates or somebody said that some people focus on great minds focus on ideas, average minds focus on like events and politics, and what do they call it? I don't know. The dumbest ass minds focus on people things like the clothes they wear and if they cut their hair. They can't think of ideas, dude. What the fuck does that matter? So anyway, I wear the headphones because this has a very good noise canceling mic, and I have like, you know, we're working from home these days, right? So I have a lot of noise. I got pets, I got kids, I got a wife, I got lawnmowers, and that helps us mostly for the mic, but also it puts the voice in my ears so I can hear how my feed sounds to you guys. So yeah. Anyway, who gives a fuck? How are you going to make money off of that, dude? You are going to be poor for life if you don't get your ass out of your head out of your ass. uh, what a dumbass question. It's better for your ears against the small one. Against what small one? Guys. All right. We're in what is it? Wave already. And I think that one has a lot of potential to go a lot. I mean, you could get a double. You could potentially get a double out of Wave today. And right now it's only for $2.40 of risk because the base is basically 20 at your stop. And we also have up Krispy Kreme donut from yesterday to see if it'll break out. If it does, we'll grab it. And Hertz for day 2. Apple. Tesla if it does something interesting. Marin looks incredible right now. In fact, right now it's breaking out, guys, in my trading group. So you can grab Marin if you want for about $2 of risk pre-market. And Fate, and we're looking at LegalZoom, CVRX, CRNC, seems pretty amazing. Alec, Smart Alec, ALEC, Santander Consumer, SC, And Shen. And Space, of course. Space, we're going to try to find a dip buy on Space. It definitely is WAVE. Whenever you see somebody who's talking about like social observations, appearances, why do I choose purple? It's supposed to be purple, by the way. It is purple here. It's just it kind of turns into kind of hot pink, but that's okay. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Please, come on, guys. Why do I wear a black shirt? I wear a black shirt so that I wear a black shirt every day so that when I literally, this is why I do this, so that when I edit my videos, they all look the same. Because you ever watch a video or something, you're like, that's the same shirt he wore yesterday, or trust me, the reason I have every single thing that you see that you think is some stupid commentary you can make a people comment about, it's for a functional purpose. I have a functional purpose for everything. I literally have a functional purpose for my gray hair. I normally dye it blonde with the way it used to be my whole life. But actually, I started going gray at 20 because I worked so hard. But still, blonde was my natural color. But I leave it gray because then it makes you guys listen to me because it shows that I've got experience. So I have a functional reason why even my hair is gray. There's a functional reason for everything in this room. Yes. You can trust me. There's a reason for every single thing that you want to try and pick out. Like why I haven't shaved. Like if you get really close, is he not shaved lately? He looks kind of homeless lately. Yeah, it's so I could get a little more sleep so I can deliver you guys a little better results. And I'll shave on the weekend. What's the reason behind the glasses? Because contacts are irritating. Give me another one. I have a functional reason for everything. They couldn't do it. They're like, why don't you brush your eyebrows? They're so scraggly. Again, just don't put the time in to not give a shit, you know? What's with the chair? My wife, she got it for me. So, yeah, it's very comfortable. And I have to have a good chair to be able to sit in for long periods of time. And I literally had another chair which wasn't, so I had to get rid of it. Why am I wearing pants? Who says I'm wearing pants? You don't know that. Usually I wear some black shorts, but you wouldn't, I mean, just walking by, you wouldn't know if those were just black underwear. Because frankly, and this is none of your business, but I wear boxers. Yep. All right, we got 2 minutes and 30 seconds to the open, guys. Prove it. Somebody says, well, maybe not when it's on Super Live. Marin is still hot as hell. Yes, it is. So if Marin breaks upward, the pre-market high, 21.75 at the open in 2 minutes, you definitely want to grab that. I'll pull up my order in Ustock Trade. Join you guys. Why haven't I contacted you about your auto warranty? There's a functional reason for that as well. Let's see if it does break out. It's going to be about $3 of risk. All right. Okay. Yeah, it's about $3 of risk if it does break out on Marin. 21.75. All right, you guys over on TikTok, we're about to end the morning stream and go live in my trading group. If you want to come join us, click the link in my bio. pick up the 7-day free pass, and then you can come join us in the Zoom. $21.75 the next resistance. No, not stay in. Did you already get in? If you're already in, keep holding. But the stop currently is at basically 1990. All right, Angel. But click the link in my bio so you're not left, up in the air. 57 seconds to the open. The risk on Marin is about $3 if it breaks 21.75. ITRM, is it going crazy? Okay, I'll pull it up. No, ITRM dropped. No, nothing too good on ITRM. Do you want the risk on that? Like, okay, if it breaks $1.83, you would get in for like 50 cents. But ITRM is no good. It's dropped. Irish. Hertz jumping. All right, good. Hertz was kind of sideways yesterday, so we'll be waiting for that to break out. Yesterday's high of $34 on Hertz, and we'll enter that. All right, you guys, this is going to be a fast, exciting morning. I'm pretty sure that SPY is going to go way up. All right, we got a lot of beeping. All right, we got binging and beeping. All right, there goes Wave. Wave, I'm up 15%, 16% on Wave. Wave's already up to 25. And then Marin broke. Time to buy Marin. You go. We got a lot of things breaking out here, I think. Tesla, if Tesla breaks 680, well, actually right here, Tesla could be an entry. Oh, wow, look at Marin go. All right, take some off here underneath $24 on Marin. Again at 25, 5 to 20%.